Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is super exciting because we are going to be testing out a teeth whitening kit. So I have the HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit along with their day and night toothpaste. With the kit comes this teeth whitening scale, 1 being the brightest, 13 being the most stained, and I already went ahead and determined that I'm between 4 and 5. Okay, so here's a close-up of the before. So that was day 1 right there. I'm gonna come back on day 6, which is the final day, and check in with you guys to see how my teeth have progressed. So the actual kit here comes with a lead light, the gels, a mouth tray, the results chart I just showed you, and the instruction manual. The instructions are really easy to follow, and we're about to go through them right now. So step number 1 is to gently clean your teeth by brushing with toothpaste. So that is what I just did before I started filming. I went ahead and used the HiSmile Day Toothpaste. So I'm guessing most of you don't want to watch me brush my teeth, but I do want to show you the toothpaste. So I'm a sucker for packaging, and I feel like this is really pretty. I like how it's like clean and white and fresh looking. And then the daytime toothpaste has a little sun on it, and the night has a moon, which is super cute. So the day toothpaste has micro wax to prevent staining, it has aloe vera to prevent cavities, and then a peppermint oil to freshen your breath. And this toothpaste comes out white. The night toothpaste has bentonite clay, which is supposed to remineralize and detoxify. It also has charcoal, which is supposed to be a natural teeth whitener. And once again, it has the peppermint oil to freshen breath. And just so you can see, this one comes out black because of the charcoal. Okay, so now that I did step 1, I'm going to move on to 2. It says take the battery out of the lead light, remove the plastic, and reinsert the battery to turn it on. Okay, so here's what the actual product looks like. We have the 3 syringes with the gel, the lead light, and then the mouth tray. Okay, so it says to take the back off, remove the plastic layer that is blocking the battery, and then reinsert the batteries. Now it says to attach the mouth tray. So here is the rubber tray. Basically, the front part here has a divot so that it can fit onto the lead light. So I'm just sliding this into place. There we go. So it's already on. Step 4 is to add 1/4 of the syringe to the top of the tray and then 1/4 to the bottom. And it says to be sure to apply it to the face of the mouth tray. So you don't want to apply it to the direct bottom here. You want to do it on the front surface so that it's against the front of your teeth. But I do want to go over what the gel consists of. So it says it has sodium bicarbonate, which is supposed to whiten the outer surface teeth stains. We have sodium chloride, which whitens inner teeth stains. And then pomegranate seed extract, chamomile flower, and aloe vera, which are all supposed to activate the gel. Okay, so the syringe has measurements on it, which makes it really easy to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the first 1/4 on the top surface here. Okay, so I went ahead and tried to evenly distribute it throughout the tray. Now I'm just gonna put the tray in, gonna turn on the lead light. It times itself, so it'll be 10 minutes. And then you're just supposed to rinse your mouth with warm water afterwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for 10 minutes, and I'll be back once it's done. Okay, so I'm back. The light just made a little beeping sound when it was 10 minutes. Took it out, I rinsed my mouth with warm water, but then I also washed the tray with warm water, and I'm just letting it air dry. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat that for the next 5 days and let you guys know how everything turns out. Also, I usually do have fairly sensitive teeth, and as of right now, I can say that that did not hurt my teeth at all, which is great. So I'll see you guys in 5 more days. Alright guys, I am back. Today is day 6, so I have finally completed the product. To recap, we said I started at a 4.5, and I am happy to say that I think my teeth are now at a 2.5, so they have gotten brighter. I'm going to go ahead and insert a close-up clip right here. A couple things I forgot to mention when I first filmed the video is that the product is vegan and gluten-free. which is great because I know a lot of people do look for that in a product. Also, all the ingredients are natural, and that is why I think I had no sensitivity or pain whatsoever when using the product, which I normally do. I'm definitely impressed that I went up 2 shades in only 6 days. And what's great is that HiSmile does offer a subscription. So if you wanted, you can get the product delivered to your house every month to maintain the whiteness. Okay, so that is all I have for you guys. I really enjoyed the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If so, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Also, don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and Instagram at TheVivaDiva. And if you happen to be interested in how to get this look or what products I used, I am posting a video on it. It should be titled something wedding related since I'm standing up in a wedding. But of course, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you until next time. Bye!